The wheel cover assembly helps to keep dirt and grass clippings away from the wheel gears and bearings. The plastic cover encloses the back of the wheel. Over time, the dust cover can wear a hole in it or be cracked or torn. This can allow dirt inside, which will quickly wear the gears and bearings, or grass clippings, which can lead to rust and corrosion. Replacing the wheel cover assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the wheel. I'll prop up the wheel with a piece of 2x4, and I'll use my impact to remove the shoulder bolt. Now remove the drive gear. It's secured with a retaining ring. With the drive gear removed, now I can remove the wheel cover. Now install the new wheel cover assembly. I'll align the hole in the washer with the small hole in the pivot bracket. Then I can reinstall the drive gear and secure the drive gear with the retaining ring. And now I can reinstall the wheel. I'll place the shoulder bolt through the hub in the center of the wheel. Now I'll align the hole in the wheel cover with the hole in the pivot bracket and thread the shoulder bolt into the pivot bracket. And I'll use my impact wrench to secure it. And that's how you can install a new wheel cover assembly on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.